No rice at all for now. But tomorrow I should cook rice a little bit. I become crazy. I miss rice.
Yeah.
Help me to how to cook rice there.
Okay.
I need to clean the oven, very stinky under the when I open it.
Take it easy.
I need to use the tissue paper and then wipe throw directly to the garbage. No need to wash the cloth because that is very stinky already. I want to clean that one.
I'll show you how to operate oven. I mean stove.
You cook the rice there. You
On
don't need.
top.
You have no rice cooker.
No, I put water and put rice in the water and boil. You know, put it on the water and boil. It's cook.
Looks like cooking rice in the rice cooker.